How's that water looking, by the way? You always gotta, in the kitchen, you always gotta be on everything.
Not me.
Multitask. Oh, okay. I'll check.
Hello, friends. Welcome back to another special episode of Secret Informant. We are in my apartment. Welcome to my home. And I'm with Leo.
Hey.
Who is not just any Secret Informant, he's also the editor. Leo is going to show us how to make some authentic Vietnamese food. Is that correct?
Yeah, we're making Vietnamese spring rolls. It's pretty straightforward. All the protein, it's boiled. The vegetables are just washed and cut and just presented.
This is kind of like you prepare all the stuff.
Yeah, it's just a prep.
And then each person makes their own.
This is pork belly, and we have shrimp.
Shrimp.
Now you could get like whole unpeeled shrimp. I've just got lazy.
Why is that lazy? For our purposes.
For this, I just didn't want to take too much time.
It's perfect. I like to spend time with you, Leo.
Cool. We're gonna boil this.
Okay. Shrimp in the pot. Was that even boiling yet?
That's okay. Anytime we eat around with the family.
Shrimp's done before you know it.
Yeah, everybody just hacks at it. How are your knife skills?
I am extremely deadly with a knife.
I just need you to cut these.
You just point me at who I need to stab.
Here, the cucumber goes pretty fast. I thought you would like it because you're a very vegetable heavy guy. When we grab lunch, you're like,
I love vegetables.
I need a place that has all the vegetables.
I know that it's got nutrients.
So you're doing that.
I'm doing this.
I'm gonna clean chives. We have Chinese chives.
What's the difference between Western chives and Chinese chives?
Honestly, I don't know. I hated these when I was younger. If you go to a restaurant, they'll always have this lined up on the side, and it makes it look pretty.
We don't eat them.
You do eat them.
Oh.
They're in there.
Okay, I am chopping these cucumbers.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Well, I already chopped that chunk. I guess my life skills are really great.
Wow, Riley, you're so cool.
Thank you. Man, I swear I'm gonna accidentally hurt somebody with this knife.
Maybe. It might be me.
It's too big. Why is this knife so big? Why is that such a big knife? Why does it need to be that big?
Dude, you're asking me these questions. It's your kitchen.
You're right.
So we have two sauces that we generally eat this with.
Two sauces.
Two sauces. It's a cup of sugar. You need a cup of fish sauce.
Cup of fish sauce.
Now, let me tell you right now, this stuff is foul. Smell that.
Ooh.
Generally, I just see them do this all the time. It's like one of those shake weights. Can you take that meat and cut it into just 3 even sections?
Cut it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to use a different cutting board for that.
That's a smart thing to do. You just need it into 3 chunks.
Oh,
three large. Dude, you need to sharpen your knives.
No, this is the sharpest knife we have.
Be gentle now. Don't just drop it in. It's going to splash back up at you. It's dangerous. That's what I just said. Look, it splashed. Fish sauce goes in.
Half a cup of water.
Some garlic.
Garlic.
Yep.
We got chopped garlic.
We're also going to need half a cup of vinegar.
Half a cup of vinegar.
Usually if you go into like a Vietnamese household, you'll see like a jar of just this sauce. Second sauce. This is going to be like toasted peanuts.
Toasted peanuts?
Of the two, this is my favorite sauce.
That sounds delicious.
So we're going to go over to the pan. All right? You want to get that pan to a medium. And we're going to leave that. Never leave your pot handle sticking out. You know why, right?
It's rude to other people.
No. You're going to hit it. That top right burner there, you want to start putting that up to medium?
Man, we're using all 4.
Medium. Peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
Very strong flavor.
Okay, and that's just to kind of get that warming up.
Yeah, you get that heated up, you grab your hoisin sauce.
Hoisin!
Hey man, look, check this out.
Oh, there he goes.
Real fast.
So does the mint, you put that in the wrap? I guess we'll find out. But.
This is what you want. Each of them have a symbol on the front. Get the rose or avoid the rose. I don't remember what my family said.
They said something about the rose.
Let's check on the pork. I'm gonna come over here. You keep doing that. So we're actually gonna turn it off now. I'm pretty confident that it's ready. And if not, we can just leave it on the heat. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Just fat. Now we get to the meats. We're slicing. We're gonna put out a plate, and you're gonna have a plate for the shrimp.
Okay.
I'm gonna go with the pork over here.
Well, I ruined that piece of shrimp, but there it is. So we are here with all the food parts laid out now, and we brought some friends along with us to enjoy. So, Leo, what do we do here? Now that we have all our components?
All right, so you're gonna take it and you're gonna dip it in the water, and you're just gonna have it coat like the whole way around. And you're like, I'll give this one to you. Here you go.
What if it gets stuck to my plate?
That's okay. That's what's supposed to happen. If everybody wants to grab a sheet and you just
okay, yeah.
kind of just go around in a circle there. So we can all start with noodles. I'm gonna throw this in.
Get some lettuce on there.
Wow, excellent cut on this cucumber, Riley. That was you.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey, man. You know.
I generally keep 3 shrimps.
Oh, and pork.
Yeah.
Shrimp and pork.
So for shrimp, it always depends on the size as well, but
Yeah.
I generally do like 3 pieces of shrimp because they're small, and then 2 pieces of pork because they're usually bigger.
Okay.
You're gonna be like tucking it in as you fold over. You're gonna take these ends, you're gonna kind of fold them in. But man, back home everybody like argues about who makes the best
Right.
roll.
Everyone has a different way to do it.
See, this is pretty ugly, I consider.
No!
Usually you want to see like 3 pieces of shrimp here, and then you want like the chive. So I'm gonna fold that over and just. That's it.
That was a solid bite.
Nice.
Okay, well, let's build our
Let's
wraps
go.
then, guys. Okay. So is that enough now? Okay.
Yep.
All right, I'm gonna try rolling this.
Oh yeah, let's see you go.
Did I fill it too much?
Look at that. Everybody hold
got
your
it.
wraps up.
Hold your wraps
Let's see
up
it.
high and say cheers.
And you
put the sauce on the inside.
He's going straight. You missed all your shrimp. You put 5 in there and you still didn't get it in your first bite. You know what? I'm gonna.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, perfect. And I'm just gonna do this too. A little bit of peanuts. Boop, 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 boop. That peanut sauce and the crushed peanuts, so delicious.
Yeah.
I feel like you eat the wrap by itself and it's kind of fresh
Yeah.
and nice, and then you add that and it's like richness, peanutness,
That's a good
crunchiness.
description.
I really want to get creative. I really want to get creative with these now. I want to make like 3, 4, 5 and keep like figuring out the best way to arrange all the ingredients.
There's a bunch of different ways
Oh,
you
yeah,
can do it.
absolutely.
Yeah.
Like I said, they a lot of people will just start adding their own stuff. Like, what flavors would I want to taste in here?
You can really kind of experiment and like throw some different
Yeah, I mean, if you
ingredients in there.
look at what it is. It's just a bunch of
Yeah.
raw ingredients.
Just stuff. You're rolling it up and dipping it in the sauce and eating it.
It's a new flavor. It's
Yeah.
a new presentation, I would say.
I'm happy to have opened your eyes to the light. That is a little Vietnam.
Every time when I go to a Vietnamese restaurant, I will order this roll, but the roll is
Yeah.
really expensive. And now
Yeah.
it's so easy to make it yourself.
Well, this is really
Yeah.
cheap to make, and it can last over like a couple of days too.
Yeah.
This meal basically encompasses a lot of things that I love. The peanuts, the shrimp, the crunchy veggies. The new thing is a rice paper that you kind of have to get wet before you can use it to wrap up. Thank you so much for showing us this authentic Vietnamese meal and allowing me to go through the process of cooking it somewhat badly. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching, and wraps up.